Wow. So I'm not going to film my person because I am not dressed. But just wanted to show you something. That's in that garage is where I was doing leather. And now I'm doing it in here. So this is why I haven't posted in a while. This is my recently finished metal building for my leather business. Okay, this is like 6 months in the making. I'm still waiting for some material. I'm waiting for a bigger table here. There's gonna be a long table in the middle. That's just gonna be a cutting table. Actually, it's gonna be 12 foot long. It's gonna be really good. But let me give you a quick tour of what I got going on. It's not completely finished, but these are the two tables that were in my garage. This is a dedicated burnishing table, and there's a little clicker here about the smaller 4-ton. That's a book press. This is for Bible rebinding that I want to get into. That's a heat press. This is my assembly table right over here. You guys are probably used to this table. This is just finished over here. And that's going to be a dedicated table for my laser, which is going to output these nameplates as well as other things that I want to get into. Computer table. I don't know. I brought that from somewhere else. My wife said put it in here, so I did. You guys know that thing over there. This is a new table here. This dedicated finishing table, gluing, not dyeing, gluing. Put finisher on there, oil, and this is a dedicated dyeing table over here. All right. So that's the extent. There's another door here, by the way, to get out to the little patio area. But that's it. That's the reason why I haven't posted in a while. I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well. Praise God that my scans are still showing improvement. Lesions are still shrinking and disappearing. So praise God, and I thank you for all your support and all your prayers. With that being said, that's it. This is going to be just a short one. Just want to let you guys know I'm doing well. And stay tuned for 2025. There's going to be, Lord willing, a lot busier, and I can start doing this a lot more, taking out a lot more orders. So the last 6 months, I've been just fulfilling all the orders that I've had pending, and I'm almost done with that. I think I have one more pair of suspenders or radio strap that I have to make custom. The rest are just kits. So if you guys are ordered and you're waiting, I apologize, but I had to wait to get this building done, and that's it. So any orders pending should be going out the next week or so. After that, come the new year, we are full throttle. All right, guys, again, thank you very much for your thoughts and prayers. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.